So in this video we are going to learn about the concept of distance and displacement. Now when we talk about the concept of distance and displacement, these are not similar things. So let's say, for example, you are going to your school. So every day in the morning at 8 a.m. you get up and start from your home, a beautiful home by the way, and from your home you go to your school, and the distance between these two is, let's say, 10 kilometers. Now once the school gets over at 2 p.m., between the friends you decide that we will go back to the park. And this park is actually, as you return back from your school, on your way back, this park is actually at a distance of 5 kilometers from your school. So the starting point for this 5 kilometers is actually your school. On the other hand, when you started in the morning, the starting point was your home. Now, in these two cases, if I ask you a question as to what is the distance you have traveled, what would be your answer? Distance basically refers to the actual path which is traveled by a person or an object, starting from the beginning, which is also known as the point of origin, to the point where it ends. So in this particular case, you started from your home. That was the point of origin. And where you ended is this point, which is at the park. So like I mentioned, distance is basically the total amount traveled by an object or a person. So what is the total amount of travel that you did? So you traveled 10 kilometers, which is the distance from your home to your school, plus you traveled another 5 kilometers, which is the distance from your school to the park. So the total distance that you traveled is actually 15 kilometers. So we say that the distance traveled by an individual as he moved from his home to the office, school, and then back from the school to the park is 15 kilometers. But this is not the case when we talk about displacement. Distance is not the same thing as displacement. Displacement basically refers to the shortest amount of distance between the point of origin or the starting point to the point of destination or the point where the end journey takes place. So when I talked about the distance between the point of origin, which is here, to the point of destination, if I just draw a parallel here, this distance is not 15 kilometers because this distance from this point until the park is only 5 kilometers. And why did I say that this is 5 kilometers? Because 10 kilometers was the total distance from point of origin, which is house, to the school. If you return on the same line back 5 kilometers, then what is left is 5 kilometers back to the home. So the displacement is nothing but basically the shortest point between the point of origin and point of destination. So in this case, the point of origin is home, the point of destination is park, and the total displacement of a person is 5 kilometers.